What is it?
What is it?
My queen, Your Highness, there's something I want to tell you, but I've been trying to hide it since. But I always have nightmare where a boy is always whipping me to confess to you. And since then, I've not had peace of mind.
Confess what? Okay, I command you now to confess it.
Your Highness, it's about your money. Yes, the money that was stolen from your briefcase. And an innocent boy has been suffering for it. Your Highness, I saw who took it.
Hello? Hello, Sly? Yes. I have some money. It's enough to get me stuff. Just tell me where we'll meet. I'm starving. Yes, it's killing me.
You bloody liar! Who hired you to blackmail my daughter? Hey, Amaka?
I hope you know the consequences of lying against the princess, my daughter.
Your Highness, I only told the truth.
Go and call her.
Yes, my queen.
You will die today.
She has never done anything like this before.
Of course, a stupid girl is lying.
Where is she?
She's coming, Your Highness.
Dad, you sent for me?
Yes, I did. Amaka here said she saw you stealing my money from the briefcase. The money I've been looking for. Is that true?
How dare you? How dare you accuse me wrongly? How dare you? Dad, how can you consult me to argue this with this low life? Amaka, you know what? You are dead. You are dead. Leave her. Are you out of your mind?
Your Highness, I have an evidence.
You said what?
I have an evidence.
You have evidence?
Yes.
Of what?
I know I'll be punished, but I have a phone.
Phone? What's that supposed to be?
I'm sorry, sir. I know I'll be punished, but I'm sorry.
That she's lying. She
Just hold on.
That you see, she doesn't even have it.
Hold on. Calm down. We all know she's lying.
Exactly. I don't know.
Calm down. No, please.
Let me kill her. You see, I will deal with you.
Your Highness, you want to kill your daughter because of money.
I'll be punishing innocent person. No,
Please, Your Majesty, please.
Hey, it's all your fault.
Huh?
It's all your fault.
Okay, I'm sorry.
You have been causing this problem. You've been pampering her.
Sorry.
Like mother, like daughter. You stole my money.
Greetings, my king. Some people are here to see you.
I'm not ready to see anyone now.
I am sorry, my king. You need to see this.
Okay, let him in.
Yes, Your Majesty.
I didn't know you had become a thief.
Dad, your money is my money.
Shut up! Shut up there. 2 million naira. You stole my money. You are saying your money is your money.
We are very sorry. She's sorry.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Greetings.
Rebecca!
This is impossible. Impossible. You?
Mama, what's wrong?
Mama, you okay?
Mom.
I'll confess.
Confess?
I'll confess. And because of her disappearance.
The great Debia. I think I'm cursed. For the past 4 years, I've been married to the king, my husband, and no issue. But my co-wife, who just came in, is already few months pregnant. And since then, my husband's love and attention is no longer there. And I'm much scared because if she should deliver a male child, I think I'll be humiliated out of the palace.
Woman, what do you want me to do?
Terminate her and the unborn child.
I cannot allow the blood of an unborn innocent child be on my head. But I have a solution.
Which is?
We'll make her run mad. We'll make her lose her sanity to the point that she will run out of this community. That no inhabitant of this community, neither the king nor his subjects, will be able to find her. Are you ready to go ahead?
Of course you can.
Obodekwe! Abụọ na-ekwu eze mmụọ. Enweli mbụ nwa Ezugo. Ezugo bụ nwa Acheli. Nwa Acheli bụ nwa Okonkwo. When she runs mad, you will not set eyes on her forever. If you do, her sanity will be restored. But there are consequences as well. Which is what I just said to you now. You don't have to see her again in your entire life. The day you do, there will be a big calamity upon you. In this padlock lies her sanity. And as you padlock it, her sanity is padlocked. And no one on the face of this earth shall have access to this key. The day any man on the face of this earth gets access to this key, her sanity will be restored. Take this key, measure her name 3 times, and lock it, and everything is sealed.
Rebecca! 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 As I lock this key, your sanity shall be locked forever.
Thank you, my daughter. You can leave now.
Thank you,
Thank you.
dear. Thank you. I'm glad everything worked out as you said. She has run mad and disappeared. That all the king's efforts to find her proved abortive.
But I told you that your worries were over. Didn't I?
Of course, that's why I've come to appreciate you. But something is still left. I need the fruit of the womb. Before the king gets another fertile wife. I want my fruit to be the heir to the throne.
I have a solution to that too.
You do? How? I think I'm barren.
Not to the spiritual world. You're not. I can help you get a child.
I'm ready. I'm ready to do everything to conceive an heir to the throne.
Sleep with me. Are you ready or not? Answer me.
Please, let the paternity of my child remain secret between you and I till death.
I am a man of honor, and my word is my bond. It's a vow that I will only break with my last breath.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, my love.
Look at you, sinner. Are you not a sinner? You are a sinner. I know you. You are looking at me like that. Is it the first time you are seeing a beauty? Let me enjoy myself. All of them. Look at them. Mad people. Mad people. Indiara. Everywhere. Surrounding me. Indiara. Mad them. All of them. Mad people, oh, mad people. Mad people. Yara everywhere. Yara, look at them. They're looking at the beauty. Look at this one, all of them. Mad people everywhere. Mad them.
How much you want?
3,000. We look at them.
See this fine girl, say she dey mad. Hey, look at how beautiful she's looking.
It's obvious she's from the elite class. Look at her clothes, her expensive jewelry.
Oh no, who is the cause of her insanity now?
Who you dey ask? No be me and you dey here. Eh?
Mama, people wicked though.
Whatever it is, I don't think she deserves it.
Hey,
Hi.
this is diabolical. Maybe she has met all those desperate Yahoo boys now that pays all this pity price.
Abi she has gone and used the wrong man.
No. She no deserve to mad.
Hi.
You know the she dey do them try for broad daylight wey sun dey shine.
I said, how much you say you want collect?
I mean, give me 3,000. How you be now? You go make her collect those things.
No go mind your business.
Punishing them. Did they offend you? No. Just do anyhow. Misbehaving. It's okay. So right again.
Fuck off. This is for my pocket. See, those people are fucking useless. Okay, who I want carry man? Just you know they play anything, man. You know they play anything. Eh? You play game yesterday. I play game yesterday. Really just spoiler. Chelsea.
I beg, una there they argue Chelsea and Man U. Muna give my money, I beg.
Madam, relax. We never finish the drink when you give us. We'll give you money, I beg. Relax.
Now all the drink we never give money.
Calm down now.
Come down, give me as money, I beg. Anything like
Left. Hey, yeah. Left.
Now, I know this man they cool like this, so. But wait, how can this classy woman run mad? Oh boy, see the woman there, cool. See her, not good though, not better good without to guy.
see, now she know what she commits. When she they mark time, they do like person they go. All these are kuna girls who they follow rich men. None of they are the pity. What are they pity? I beg wanna give my money, they come out here.
Madam, relax, we'll give you your money, I beg. You know they're wrong, we'll day here, we'll give you money, make we finish our drink, I beg.
You don't concern me, oh. If you not like, wanna fly. Give my money before I will drink from begin come and tell me stories.
Calm down, Joe. Calm down. How much? You too like money, this woman.
Before
you too like money?
Before uncle, no you want to buy these things.
Oh God, I said it's okay. How much your money?
650, give me am.
650? You get money, give her. I don't understand.
See.
Yeah, I bring your own. I said bring your own now.
Boy, my guy, this one don't be see fresh meat. This one will chop on nothing they saw.
Okay, see, okay. Listen, that is why I'm not carrying on this matter. Because it too like woman. Make just carry weight the colors come here, then they go.
My guy, I'm chop this thing clean, man.
I go to this book.
Oh, yeah, run on me. Hold it there.
Where are you riding now? Wait for me. Wait for me. I'm coming to you, baby.
Bia, Akpaka, do and pay me my money and go now. What is it now?
Amara, you calm down now. Can't you say I've not even drank my drink safe?
Akpaka. Don't give me that. So because you're drinking, I should sleep here. Drink of how much?
So I should drink my drink.
Body no be firewood. Akpaka, body no be firewood, please. Do I finish your drink? Let me go, please.
You be coming down. I don't understand you. Be coming down, eh?
No, I should sleep here because you're drinking. Drink of how much? Pick up, please finish your drink. Let me go.
You should at least allow me to drink my drink now.
Eh?
Allow me to drink my drink. Eh, Amara? Allow me to drink my drink now.
I'm still money my husband.
Allow me to drink my drink. Yeah, Amara, come. Come. Is that not human being I'm seeing there?
Where?
Look there now.
Who are you? Young woman, who are you? Who are you looking for?
Can't you see she's mad? It's a mad woman.
Mad and pregnant. Mad and pregnant. Akpaka, which kind of wahala be this now?
Pregnant.
What is a mad woman doing in my compound? I never even mourned my husband. I never mourned my husband finish. A mad woman again. Which kind of wahala be this now, Akpaka? Akpaka, see. Akpaka, please. I beg. Akpaka, please. Help me chase this woman out. Akpaka, please. Chase this woman out of my compound. I never mourned my husband finish.
Oh yeah. Leave this place.
Chase this woman.
Leave this place also.
Akpaka, you cannot chase a mad woman out. Chase this woman out.
Leave this place. Can you imagine?
Akpaka, so you cannot just pursue a mad woman out. If it is to drink all the drink I have in this shop, you will finish it.
You be coming down. Become down. Sure? This woman, she's new in this town. This is how they behave.
Akpaka, pay me my money, I beg. Let me go and rest. If it is to know about mad woman, you know about it. I think you were once mad. That's why you know everything about mad people. Give me my money, let me go and rest.
What do you mean? How much is your money, Seth?
Come and give it to me.
Come and take your money before you insult me because of your small money.
Come and give me my money, I beg.
Not to insult me because of money.
Come on, mad woman, you cannot pursue, but you drink everything I have in shop. Give me my money.
What did they do for here? Okay. Among all the whole shop where they here, you not see anywhere sleep. Now my shop, Abi. Stand up, come on. Stand up, come on for here before I go whip you. I said stand up, come on. Stand. Oh yeah, follow like this. Eh? You try, I go fly up to that. Move. I said move. Why see me be like, you look me like I get you. I not get you. I don't see. You want give me bad luck? I said move. Move! I go whip you what you no good. Move! Ah, don't let me vex you. See you there.
What's touching my pot and plates in the kitchen?
You again. You this mad woman. Oh yeah, leave. Stand up. Stand up and go, please. I said leave.
Amara, so you mean she came back last night again?
My brother, the more I scare her away, the more she keeps coming. So I took pity for her yesterday and I let her in. She's not feeling fine, no. I think it's because of cold, so I offered her my wrapper to use yesterday.
Wait, you mean you gave your wrapper to a mad woman?
Waka, it's an old one. I have another one, so honestly, I just feel pity for her. What can she do to deserve this?
But do you really know what is the cause of her madness?
Apaka, no matter what, she doesn't deserve to be mad. It's worse than death.
Anyway, you are right. You're right. Please, give me one more Balamo. Let me touch this. You can see I've finished this one already.
You will never buy anything good in my shop than drink.
I don't understand. You know this is what I usually take. Please,
How
get
many
me
should I
one.
go?
Bring one more now. How many do you want to bring?
Chima! Just give me. Oh, I'm the only one in this compound. God, what do I do? Let me get that. Oh, come on.
Amara, this is rather very serious. What do you intend to do now?
I'll be my best friend. That is why I came to you. I came to you as a best friend to seek advice.
Well, my best advice for you would be take them to an orphanage home or a motherless baby home. At least that's where they will get the love and the care they deserve. But do not forget that we're dealing with a mentally deterred person. Most of them are very aggressive and destructive. So, you have to tread with caution.
Obi, that's the point. That is the point there. I know how painful it is to be denied the love of seeing your loved one. So as I was denied the love of seeing my husband and my only child. So I don't want to deny her that. I think her coming to me, it's on purpose. So I want her to stay there, let the kids grow to a certain age before taking them there, so that they can be able to cope. At least let us still see them.
Do you know what you're saying? Do you know that keeping them means keeping their mentally unstable mother too?
Yeah, I know. I know that. But I will pray about it. I will pray and God will reveal everything to me. I will pray.
That's your judgment. You're in a better position to take your decision. But one thing I want you to remember is that the person in question is mentally abnormal. And you know the society where we live in. You need to tread with caution so that you don't get yourself into trouble.
Maybe I know. Like I said, I will pray. Them staying with me is a purpose. I will pray.
What more do you want me to say? Well, I wish you best of luck.
Obi, I have to go before that woman abscond with those beautiful children. I have to start going.
Wait, hold on. Do you intend to live with them in your house?
Obi, like I said, I will pray. And I have a plan. Don't worry. I have a very good plan.
Okay, if you say so.
I have a plan. Obi, would you see me off?
Why not?
So, how is business?
Wow,
Akban, say me, you will take it from here to that place. This place, though, this place where my thing stop. Then you now take it to that place where that stone place. Then to here. I want it to be big, oh. That place where charcoal there now. Say you go. That place. That place. You don't measure out na.
So that I go know what I go tell you.
So, how much you say I go give? Have you see the measure?
You know what I tell you. You know what I tell you that time.
This one where you measure like this. You sure see it go fit do am. You don't measure and finish. You see the measure?
Oh wow, I don't know what I go do.
Back to this thing. Because I no get that 25k. So let me give you 18,000. That is what I have.
Madam, now what for you? From 25,000, how many you dey cut come out? A whole 7,000 now you come out. Now wow.
From this place to this place. From this place to this place now 25k now.
See, make I tell you something. See this small basha when I want build for you. This small thing when I want build. Whether na carton I go use or anything when I go use build them. As far as say you guess what kind of place. Where be like say that they use this thing they collect monthly salary.
Happen. I don't need carton. I need zinc.
Now you
no be carton.
How much you can dey price me? Zinc. See the way you dey call am zinc. How much? Zinc. 18,000. You know you dey go market at all?
You don't do. Happen you don't do biko. You don't do. Anything where you want use build this thing, use them. Yeah. Okay. But I beg. I don't need wahala. And I want this thing in Oreo.
No wahala.
No waste time, I beg. You know, see as my condition there, I beg.
If now so I go come more money for you. It's because of your husband. You know, say that way your husband they alive. Me and I they go link to well.
I beg no be material.
No.
Oh yeah, come shop, come collect money.
No wahala. Make I follow you.
My husband,
No, I come more money for you.
finish?
Amara, don't finish. Don't finish.
So wetin come the whole?
I just dey package one or two a day.
Why even check the things?
Check am well, check that side, check everywhere. Check am very well.
This one wey this thing my head dey touch am.
Madam, come make I tell you. Forget say your head dey touch am. This thing na better combine force I do for here. If rain dey enter, na so e go dey. This one they call am America dropping. America dropping, I be this one. You dey hear so? Check am well. Everything dey lap.
No wahala now. May I give you the money now?
No wahala. Remember say na 5K o. 5K o. Today night it go sweet. Today night go sweet. 5,000 for a night. They go Yera, Calabar.
Up and take abeg. That is 4-5.
I say no know our tradition again. Taba for you. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. What happen to the 500?
Abeg, I go bring and come give you for shop. I no get that strength.
Even though you not bring her, no wahala. Even though you not bring her, you know say your husband and me na better friend. All of us will do the same work. If you not bring her, no wahala. Thank you very much.
Come now. Come, I want to watch you. Let me get you what to be relying on it. Okay? I'm coming. To enjoy these babies, though. See, I got you baby clothes, anything. And diaper is inside this bag, in case you want to use it. Are you hearing? Please, oh. Abeg, take care of those children. I'm coming. If you like, you hear me. If you don't like, you're looking at me. Hi. I got you food. Yeah, you like it. My name is Amarachi. What is your name? Rebecca. Rebecca. That's a very sweet name. A very beautiful name. So, do you mind telling me where you're from? Where are you from, I mean?
I don't know, but it goes straight. See? Straight. You reach that street, you cross the bridge. See that bridge? You see a big market. My mansion is after the market. I have a big car. That's my home.
Okay,
Do you know where you are? I'm in heaven. I know you don't know where you are, and I will not tell you. Should I tell you? Should I tell you? See God. Have you seen God? Look at these angels. They are singing. Angel Gabriel. Look at him there. Have you seen him? Everybody's mad. See, this country. Everybody in this country is mad, oh. Even the police. The police, they are mad. The president, mad. The governor is mad. Even you.
it's fine. It's okay. Okay, eat your food. Don't worry. God will heal you, and you'll be able to take care of these your beautiful children here. Okay, Rebecca. Eat your food. Okay.
God bless you.
I can wipe the tears away from my eyes, but I can't wipe the pains from my heart. Chukwi inosibo like a beautiful soul is now but she has no option. Chukwi inosibo like a beautiful soul is now but she has no option. Happy bad will not let me oh, where we go. I'm gonna go to Mama Rosie. On your comment, you're a lady. So, I'm gonna go to on your comment, you're a lady.
Ebuka, come on. Lizzie.
She is now a mad woman.
Ebuka, come on. Elizabeth, come on. Who else? You want to eat? It will finish, oh.
She just remembered her name. Wow. Very soon, she'll remember where she's from. And I can be of help to her. Maybe she will remember where she's from or any of her relatives' name. God, please help me.
Why would she be endangering her life like that?
If you ask me, what do you want me to ask? Well, I spoke to her about her decision. She was adamant. She said she prayed to God and God told her to do so. So what do you want me to do?
Which God? Obviously she is mad. She should be careful, oh, because one day that mad woman might land her into serious trouble.
Well, you know my friend Amara, how stubborn she can become. She can never learn until she learns the hard way. Well, I've given her my piece of advice. If she doesn't take it, she will bear the consequences alone. Yes, my dear, let's leave mad people and their decision. What about the ashebi that we're wearing for the wedding? Have they told you the color?
I've not gist you. It's blue color we are wearing. No. Really? I already gotten my shoe and my purse. I'm fully prepared for it now. How about you?
Good for you. I do not have anything. I'll get to that.
My friend. Don't worry now. No problem. Ebuka. My prince. Open your mouth. Eat now. Oh. Why are you doing like this now? You don't want to eat? You don't want to eat? Why don't you want to eat? And why are you shouting? Love of my Emma, eh. Love of my Emma, eh. Love of my Emma, eh. Love of the Emma, eh. Stop crying. Come and eat. Princess. Come and eat, yeah? Don't mind your brother. Your brother is just... This food is very delicious. I made it specially for you. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Please open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. What's wrong with you people now? I made this food very delicious. It's very delicious. It's for the two of you. I don't have anything else to give you. Or you want to suck blood? Rebecca!
Oh my God! You want to food poison these children?
Thief! 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 Want to come and steal my children? Thief! They have sent you. They have sent you to come and kill my children. You will not carry them. You cannot take them. They are thief.
I will call the welfare officer. They will come and carry these children away from you and give them better treatment. Except you don't like staying with them again. You don't enjoy staying with them. Don't worry.
Please now. No, don't worry. You don't call them now. They will come and take the children from me and put them in the prison. They may even kill them. Call them, please.
I should not call the welfare officers so that they will not give them better treatment. Okay, you want to stay with your children, Abi? On one condition, no. The condition is that this nonsense that I'm seeing here will not repeat itself again. It will never repeat itself again. That is the condition. It will not. You bet. It shouldn't repeat. Oh yeah. Let's clear up this place.
What? You mean that woman fed those innocent children with that poisonous trash? Ah! This woman will kill those children sooner than we think.
That's my fear. That's my fear.
See?
I'm confused. What do I do?
What do you do? You ask me what should you do? Get rid of those children before you get yourself into trouble.
How? I don't understand.
What is it that you don't understand? Take these children to an orphanage home.
You know I can't. I cannot take them there. She pleaded with me today with tears. And I don't want to deny her the joy of motherhood. Please.
Can you hear yourself talk? Can you hear yourself talk? She begged you. Does she even know what she's saying? Okay. Just know that I have said my own. Be careful.
We bring some other option. Not me taking them there now. Bring some other option up.
Just wait until you land yourself into trouble. Then these your two eyes will open. Continue being Onyoma Emeka. Mrs. Too Good. While I continue working.
I'm confused. What do I do?
The outcome of the relationship between Olaga and I is Yvonne, my daughter.
What?
Please forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive me.
Really? Mom? Mom, what is this? Mom, are you okay? Mom? No, Mom, please drop this.
What is wrong with her?
Mom?
Ojima!
Mom, what is it? Mom, please, Mom, stop. Mom.
Take this out of my palace. Take her out of my palace.
Are you mad? Are you mad? Madman. Come here. Come here.
Can't you see? She's gone mad.
No. Attention! Attention! Do it! Forward march. Let us go. Follow me. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Escort her out.
No, Jesus. No, Jesus.
Why are you running? Why are you running? Follow me. Left, right, left, right. Forward march.
Escort her out of the palace. And make sure she goes nowhere.
Hey, my friend, when he gets back, you're suspect. Stay there. You're suspect.
I think.
I say, come back, you're suspect. Yeah, come and do your work. If it's me now, you'll be raising your chest. Now for us, go nowhere. The police is coming.
You stole my money.
Oh no, shit. Thief. Hi, Ejimam.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for all that you had to go through. Believe me, I searched everywhere for you. The police tried, but they still couldn't. I wondered what had happened to you. Thank God you're here.
Yes, I am here, my love.
Mama, you mean you knew this all along and you never bothered to tell us?
My daughter, I have learned to allow things unfold in due process. Food in due time.
Jim, so I'm a princess?
Of course you are. You are the legitimate princess. I have wrongly detained and tortured my own son. I mean the heir to the throne. Just because I was fooled to believe that that brat of a girl was my daughter.
So my brother is a prince? Hi, Hi, you're a prince. My association.
I'm a VIP.
Hi, God. God, I return all the glory to you. Hi. Just...
There is no need to regret anything. I believe everything that happened for a reason. So instead of regretting, let's rejoice. Because the future is bright and brighter for us.
That's true. And you know that there's time for everything under the earth.
Yes.
Time to sorrow.
Time to be
joy.
happy. So why don't we just bring my son so that the happiness will be complete?
Yes. My own son will come back. He will come to his palace. Come here. Come here.
I've missed you.
I missed you too. Oh. Today is the most memorable day in the history of this kingdom. Yes. The day that fates have decided to smile upon us. The day of restoration. The day of discovery of my lost kingdom. Because sitting among us here is the heir to the throne. My flesh, my blood. The one that I seek from the very day I was coronated. The one that completes my lineage. And that is for my son. Now after my God, appreciation goes to one man that has expressed himself, that have displaced and displayed the meaning of love. He has selflessly tried in so many ways. And so, he reminds me of that axiom that says, be a brother's keeper. Truly, he has kept that faith, that love, that unwavering love with so much determination that has saved my family from extinction, from death. And this man is seated amongst us. And his name is Joseph.
Igwe, thank you so much, Your Highness, for your kind words. I truly appreciate. I'm honored and privileged to be standing before you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Lola,
Thank
I
you,
greet
Daddy.
you specially. Thank you.
Yes, it's an honor, a privilege to have you amongst us. And so, I want to show appreciation by doing right here and now, I'm giving you 50 million naira to start any business of your choice. No, I'm not done yet. I have a duplex aside for you, and then an SUV to run around town. And then lastly, you may ask for more money if that is not enough, or anything that you think is closest to your heart. I will grant you.
Hey.
You don't have to stand up. Sit down and talk to us as a family now.
Hey. Honestly, I'm lost for words. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know where to start from. I am overwhelmed. But Iwe, I appreciate your kind gesture. Honestly, I wish to ask you for something. Yes, because of all the things you mentioned, I appreciate. I accept wholeheartedly. But I wish to ask for something that is worth more than gold and silver. Your Highness, I wish to marry your daughter Lizzie the princess. She's the love of my life. She's the one that has illuminated my life. The one I can live without. The one I wish to spend the whole of my life with. Please, if you grant me that wish, Your Highness, I will forever be happy. I want to be part of this great family so that my love, peace and happiness will be completed.
Father, Mother, Ejimam, without wasting so much time, I am saying a big yes to his proposal.
She can't even wait for him to ask. Ah, God.
It's alright, Joseph. You see, maybe you've been reading about Solomon lately. I mean, Solomon in the Bible. This kind of wisdom. And that wisdom, you have asked for my family. That is, you have asked to be part of my family.
Yes, Your Highness.
Since you have asked to be part of my family, that means you have asked for everything that I own. Your wisdom is legendary. Here and now, I say yes to your request to everything that I own.
Yes. Say yes.
Thank you so much, Father.
Thank you so much, Your Highness.
Yes.
You will. Thank you so much.
It's my honor.
Lolo, thank you so much. My prince. I greet you specially. Thank you so much.
My Lolo. The queen of
my
great
hero.
kingdom.
My hero.
It's about time we started to have our dinner.
Oh, sure, of course. The food will soon be here.
But you just can't wait.
Ah, my love.
If I die today, I die a happy man.
But you're not dying anytime soon.
Me die.
For what?
I have to see them. I want to see their children's children.
Yes!
What about my own crown prince? I haven't seen his wife.
Brother, that will be so.
Is that a promise?
Yes. Love Marama, love Marama, love at somewhere more, love Gidimuma, it's a love a problem, it's a love a woman, it's a love a woman, love with Jodimuma, love name the mumma, love nam the mumma, love the mamu the mumma, love the mumma, it's a love at somewhere more, it's a love at it's a love at it's a love of the mumma, love give the mumma, love give the mumma, love give the mumma, daddy, love give the mumma, love give the mumma, it's a love at it's a love at it's a love at it's a love of the woman, love a woman, it's a love of the woman, oh, it's a love of the woman, it's a love of the woman, it's a love of the woman.
Believe that one day things will turn around for me. If not for you, what would I have done? You were just an angel sent to my life. You were just an angel sent to save me. I love you, I love you. I can do anything for you. I love you, I love you. I can't do without you, my love. I love you, I love you. I can do anything for you. I love you, I love you. I can't do without you, my love. I love you, I love you. I can do anything for you. I love you, I love you. I can't do without you, my love. I love you, I love you.